go?
Let's do it faster than fast watch.
Faster than fast?
Faster than fast
You
watch.
gonna put some music over this?
Oh, I should.
You gonna put a sick
Play my
beat?
own music.
You gonna put a sick beat?
Yeah. It's called Rachochorones.
Gotta play a sick beat
Play some
while you're changing these handlebars.
Got you, don't worry. Hopefully something good comes on. Hopefully Pandora doesn't fucking fail us. Hopefully. Come on, Pandora. You bitch. What's happening, everybody? So this is a quick update on the handlebars. Sorry I had to fast forward the whole video. I realized that I jammed out to music a little too much, so we were sitting there jamming to music while we were trying to put the bars on, and well, I'm not going to try to run into any copyright issues, so I had to fast forward it, and I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of what I had to do. I changed the grips on it. Chris brought some grips up with him, so these are really nice. I really like them. They're really dope. I had to get a clutch lever that I had to use. I had to use a different clutch lever. I'm not a big fan of waiting. For eBay stuff or Amazon or anything like that. So, and I like to support local shops a lot. Is my big thing. So, you know, shop local. That's why I always kind of like to go about things. So I found this lever at a shop. Dude was doing a custom build, and he had this sitting around. So it's for a Harley, actually. Apparently, it's for a Harley. If you notice, the clutch pin in it is a lot bigger. It's a lot bigger hole than the Shadow would be. So I had to kind of customize it a little bit, and I had to make a little slot in there for the original one to go into. So it wasn't too hard. It wasn't too bad. I made signal switches because I don't know if a lot of you know, I don't have my turn signals up here. I don't use those. I use this right here. So I moved that to right here, kind of like hit it a little bit, and the visor hides it.